Hey guests, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I am participating in an open collab called Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by Amethyst Adventures and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Today I'm going to be showing you how I styled my table in an Afro Boho Chic Tablescape. So I'm starting off with this beautiful soft throw. It is, I know the lighting's not really good, but it is a soft pink. And then I'm coming in with these beautiful burlap placemats. Next, I'm using my white chargers. And on top of that, I purchased these beautiful plates from Hobby Lobby. And next, I'm coming in with these beautiful terracotta saucers that I also purchased from Hobby Lobby. So I purchased these beautiful black melamine bowls from Hobby Lobby as well. And then on top of the black bowls, I am using some black and white rolled napkins with a leather napkin ring. So I'm going to let you finish the rest of the video to music. So guests, if you've enjoyed seeing how I styled my Afro Boho Chic Tablescape, please leave me a comment down in the comment section, and please don't forget to go over and watch the host channel and the playlist. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning guest, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.